And in our desire to see most of the 400 National Park units, we are going to go to 3 relatively obscure places today in Hyde Park, New York. But first of all, we are going to McDonald's for some breakfast burritos. Let's get this day started. You ready for the mansion tour?
Yeah, let's go.
The Vanderbilt mansion. What do you know about the Vanderbilts?
He was the railroad guy.
I don't know. We're going to find out pretty soon. He was rich. I know that.
Yeah.
It's a National Historic Site located right on the Hudson River. I'm staring at it right now. Beautiful piece of property. Gigantic swath of real estate. I like that vocabulary, those terms I'm pulling out right now. And we're getting ready to secure a couple tickets and tour the mansion itself. Where is everybody too, by the way? There's no one here. There was bumper to bumper traffic going south on the Parkway, going down to the shore. Gorgeous Memorial Day weekend. And we were going in the opposite direction, coming up to all these national parks in Hyde Park, New York.
You were the real winners.
This is why we are the real winners. This is why it shows, Kelly, you can't follow the crowd. What's right is not always popular, and what's popular is not always right. Keep that in mind, viewers. All right. Let's go get some tickets. Check out the mansion.
So folks, welcome to Vanderbilt Mansion National Historic Site. My name is Eric. I'm going to be your guide here today. Before I get into it, just real quick question. Has anyone ever heard of the name Vanderbilt before? Yes. Okay, so you kind of know you're dealing with big money. They bought this property, 700 acres, for $125,000 in 1895 as a seasonal cottage they used during the fall and spring months. It was not too far, but not too close to New York City, so it was easier to have a seasonal retreat here, but also to be able to go back to the city in case a business crisis arose. Franklin Roosevelt came calling on Margaret Van Allen, asked her would she be interested in selling the estate to the American people and the federal government. Franklin was very interested in preserving the property because, like I said, this is one of the oldest cultivated landscapes. He didn't really care about preserving the house. He wanted to preserve the land. He viewed it as an arboretum, as a tree preserve. The house was just a happy bonus, pretty much. And talking to Margaret, he gets her to agree to sell the home for $1. Became Vanderbilt Mansion National Historic Site in 1940, and it's been open to the public ever since. Only Gilded Age mansion in the National Park Service. First home given to the National Park Service, all its village furnishings intact.
Good security system on the Vanderbilt home, huh?
They just redid the course, so sometimes our keys are still sticky.
Sorry folks, can't get in. Tour's canceled for today. Everybody drive safely. Down in the servants' quarters right now. It's actually nicer than most of the hotels I've stayed at.
And really, all our knowledge about running the home during the golden age, when this home was lived in, all came from them. They made everything possible here, in a sense, as a historic home, and it is a historic house tour, which has now reached its end.
So what'd you think about the house tour?
Wow, that was neat. That was really cool.
What'd you like about it?
I liked all the little designs. Like everything was so over the top and extravagant.
This was just a spring and fall home. So they didn't hang out here in the summertime nor the winter, did they? It was just a little getaway for them. Just a small little retreat center. That's it. But that'll do it. We are moving on now to our second of 3 sites here in Hyde Park, New York. Right on the beautiful banks of the Hudson River, probably about 2 hours north of New York City. That was the Vanderbilt mansion you saw today. We enjoyed the tour, got to see the entire insides of the house. Thanks so much for watching this short video log. If you haven't done so yet, of course, please subscribe to the channel. And as always, there is room for you on our next National Park adventure. God bless you.